Imagine seeing the best of Switzerland in just 5 days. Sounds incredible, right? But believe me, it's possible. In this video, we'll reveal the perfect itinerary that will allow you to immerse yourself in the beauty and culture of this amazing country in a short amount of time. You'll learn which places you simply cannot miss, the most scenic routes, and how to make the most of every minute of your journey. Watch this video until the end, and you'll be ready for the most thrilling adventure of your life. Day 1. Let's begin our journey in one of Switzerland's most beautiful cities, Zurich. This city combines historical heritage with a modern rhythm of life. In the morning, we'll take a stroll through the old town, where every building breathes history. The narrow cobblestone streets lead us to the Limmat River, which gracefully flows through the city. Be sure to visit the Grossmünster Cathedral with its impressive towers and enjoy a panoramic view of the city from above. In the afternoon, we'll head to the Kunsthaus Museum, which houses one of the richest art collections in Switzerland. We'll end the evening on Bahnhofstrasse, one of the most famous shopping streets in the world, where you can not only shop but also soak in the city's atmosphere. Day 2. On the second day, we head to Lucerne, a city that seems to have stepped right out of a postcard. We'll start by visiting the famous Chapel Bridge, Kapellbrücke, and Water Tower, which are symbols of the city. Don't forget to explore the historic center, where you'll find picturesque half-timbered houses and charming narrow streets. After lunch, we'll take a cable car ride to the summit of Mount Pilatus, where breathtaking views of the Alps and Lake Lucerne await. We'll end the day with a cruise on the lake, where you can relax and take in the stunning views of the mountains and the city. Day 3. Today, we're off to Interlaken, the heart of the Bernese Oberland. This is the place where two alpine lakes, Thun and Brienz, meet. In the morning, we'll embark on a journey to the top of Jungfraujoch, known as the Top of Europe. This route takes us through picturesque alpine villages, mountain tunnels, and impressive bridges. At the summit, we'll explore the Ice Palace, enjoy panoramic views of the Alps, and even try our hand at winter sports. After returning to Interlaken, we'll spend the evening strolling through this cozy town surrounded by mountains. Day 4. On the fourth day, we'll spend our time in Montreux, on the shores of Lake Geneva. This town is famous for its mild climate and stunning views of the lake and mountains. Be sure to visit Chillon Castle, one of the most picturesque castles in Europe, located right on the lake's shore. Afterward, take a leisurely walk along the Montreux Promenade, enjoying the blooming gardens and views of the Alps. In the evening, we recommend taking a trip along the famous Lavaux wine route, where you can taste some of the best Swiss wines. Day 5. Finally, our last day, a visit to Geneva. This city, situated on the shores of Lake Geneva, is the cultural capital of Switzerland. We'll start by exploring the old town, where you can see St. Peter's Cathedral and the famous Place du Bourg de Four. Next, we'll head to the Jet d'Eau, one of the tallest fountains in the world. We'll conclude our day with a visit to the Palais des Nations, the European headquarters of the United Nations, where you can learn more about international diplomacy. We'll spend the evening strolling along Geneva's lakeside, enjoying views of the lake and the Alps. And there you have it, 5 days that will give you unforgettable memories and allow you to see the best that Switzerland has to offer. If you enjoyed this itinerary and want to learn more about how to make your trip even more exciting, subscribe to our channel. We share useful tips and inspire new adventures. Give us a like, leave a comment, and tell us which place in Switzerland you'd love to visit. We're always happy to hear your questions and suggestions.